neighborhood Sonic.
Alright guys, we're back at Joe's house. Here's where we left off. So like I said, I brought the hose through on this side. That line actually fit, and then drilled the hole right there. I need to vacuum up all these shavings, but essentially, tank is going to mount right about there. Here's the pump. We're going to run the pump right off the tank, and then it's going to go right outside to the hose right there. So that'll be pretty simple, just waiting on some fittings and these little P-clips to hold the hose up and out of the way. And then we're going to work on mounting the wheel studs today. We're actually going to build... We're going to build a little piece. I don't know where it went. We're going to build a little piece. So we're going to put this around the bolt. And then we're going to cut a little flat spot. And that way there's a flat spot for a C-clamp to attach to. And then we'll just use that to pull the bolts through. So before we do that though, I'm going to cut some titanium for Joe. We've got enough extra, so we want to cut a couple short pieces because he wants to practice welding some titanium before we actually start laying some dimes on the titanium exhaust. So I'm going to cut those pieces for him, and then we're going to make that little piece to pull the front wheel studs through. That way we'll have extended wheel studs on the front and on the back.
You're probably the only guy that drives his car this much during the week.
Real. The rest of them full race cars.
I think it's got mirrors.
And on our way to go get groceries, we decided we were a little thirsty, so we thought we'd stop into the neighborhood Sonic and get a slush. In the streetcar.
Now, do you go in drive-thru or just the pull-up?
I was gonna do pull-up.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'm hungry.
Okay. We gotta make sure we take a picture too, so everyone knows we made it.
You're gonna get a picture. Perfect. Thank you.
Cup holder here. Oh, we got cup holders. Kevin's Viper doesn't even have cup holders.
Dude, I got 2 of them. Streetcar. This is 5 pounds of CO2 on the gate.
What does that mean?
That means it's gonna see about 10 pounds of boost as well.
Okay.
I mean, it's pretty weak. It's extremely weak, but it's the street. It's not.
This is the problem. We're on the street. Asphalt.
Mexico.
That got sketchy real quick. Fuck that. Hell no.
Dude, 10 pounds of boost. Turn it up to 40.
Hell no.
It's crazy, isn't it? Like,
oh, hell no. We need like a concrete patch or something.
it's still
Asphalt and radials is a no-go. That was 10 pounds of boost.
10 pounds.
Literally in it for like half a second. All right, what?
It'll probably hold a little bit of high.
This road
This
sucks
part
too.
of the road is nice. I looked, that was 11.
Oh, only 11. That's like the Mustang.
I tried to roll into it. That wasn't turbo lag, for the record. I was trying to roll into it so it wouldn't hit hard, and then it wasn't doing it, so finally I just hit it.
Oh boy.
All right, this is live, Joe. See if it works.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to hold something, David.
I'm holding the camera. What do you expect?
Figures.
How am I gonna hold that?
I don't know.
I'll rip my damn.
David, you're gonna have to hold it. How are you gonna hold that? Because yeah, you're definitely gonna have to hold it.
Maybe with a flathead or.
Hold it, David. No, here, let's jam something in there.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, was that what you were thinking? You didn't mention it, but oh, that's what I was thinking.
I'm still razzled from our road trip we just took. So this is the little tool Joe built. Patent coming soon. Don't take that from us.
Or nothing's coming soon and no one will ever see this video.
This is possibly true also.
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work, David.
It was a good idea.
It was a good idea. Nope.
Sometimes these inventions fail. There's nothing you can...
What do you think?
Should we cut the video here?
It's gonna take more, and look how crooked it is. Yeah, it's gonna take.
All right, next idea coming soon. So I guess we're gonna have to pull the whole knuckle probably, but comment down below some ideas. Dang it. We lost again. Joe is practicing some heating techniques. This looks very time consuming.
Yeah.
But I did get a power wire ran for the ice tank pump. It's running all the way to the battery. I'm going to tap the ignition wire into the one that's running the fuel pumps. That way when the fuel pumps turn on, this pump will turn on also. And then I just got to ground it, and that's essentially it for the pumps. Pretty easy to do. And I'll just self-tap the relay up there next to the rest of them. And then we just got to mount the tank. Pretty easy stuff. Like I said, I'm just waiting on some fittings and some of the P-clamps to hold up the hose, and then the ice tank install will be completed. Alright, so Joe's car's ready. It's ready to go racing. So pretty excited that's done. Got the carbon T-tops back on. And we got to switch hatches.
Hatches tomorrow.
And that's it. Put the hood back on, of course.
Put the hood on it, clean it, and...
The only reason the hood goes on is for what, Joe?
For racing.
Oh, thought you were going to say pictures.
Oh, photos, yeah.
He hates photos with the hood off.
I hate them. This looks too race car.
This is street car. Joe. So yeah, Joe's car's ready to go. And I got the pump wired up. Just got to mount everything up. So we're just waiting on some fittings and some P-clamps. Then we can get that all buttoned up. Joe practiced some welding.
No, I did good on the welding. The bluing...
We're still not sure on the bluing process, so we're kind of just messing with a few different options, but the welds...
The welds are good. Like, those
really
welds
good.
are legit. Like, I'm happy with the welds.
Yeah. So the bluing we're just kind of messing around with. Don't worry, that's not the actual pipe. We're just kind of testing some stuff out. But I'm really excited to get this done. He's probably going to start welding on it, but we won't finish it till next week, I bet.
Yeah, I'll probably start it this week, but yeah, I don't think it's a lot of welding. They'll probably go...
Because this week we leave on Friday. So pretty much everything we're messing around with the cars has to be done Thursday.
Yeah.
So we don't have very much time to work on the cars.
Well, yeah, and I'm busy Thursday, so really we got till Wednesday.
So we got Tuesday, Wednesday, which I'm going to try and get the studs in. We're just pretty much going to pull the front knuckles, get them pressed in at Brady's. And we're going to try and finish up the water tank, because everything on the front side is done. The lines already ran to the intercooler tank, so it's ready to go.
It's coming along.
And we're ready to go racing. That's all. That's what I'm ready to go do. I'm ready to go watch Joe.
I was going to, tomorrow night... We should go for another cruise because we
gosh.
like the daily cruises. I'll turn up the CO2 a little more.
All right, guys. I got to go, and we'll see you guys on the next one.